good, guys? It's your girl Naturally Jazz, and welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, I would like to welcome you back. Welcome all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for joining my channel. So as you read by the title, today is going to be a kitchen and fridge reset. So keep on watching. Things first, guys, I went ahead and added our new dish detergent, and then I also went ahead and started to change out my drip pans because they were disgusting, and I like to change them out every other month so that I can have just some clean ones because these things can get dirty if you cook a lot. I also like to add the aluminum foil at the bottom just to keep the bottom clean. So just adding the burners back on and just switching out these in the kitchen helps just make a big difference in just how the appliance looks. Okay, now it is time to restock my kitchen and clean out the fridge and restock it as well. So let's get right into it. Now it is time for me to go ahead and restock the fridge, but before I actually restock the groceries in the fridge, I want to go ahead and clean it out. So I'm just going to spray it down with a couple of my cleaning sprays to get it nice and clean. And I am going to have to take these drawers underneath out because they are actually very nasty and sticky. So I'm going to go ahead and just clean all around it, and then I went ahead and pulled the drawers out because they were very sticky from things that were just wasting underneath. So I need to get all of these stains and spots up. There is especially a stain that is along the lining of the drawer where they go in at. So I'm going to need to just get a small toothbrush and clean that out as well. So let's get right into it. So now that I'm done wiping down the fridge, I want to go ahead and add these fridge organizers in. This just helps better organize things so I can go ahead and put the groceries in. So let's get right into adding everything in. Alright guys, so I've got everything restocked. So here is what my fridge looks like, all completed and organized. I love just seeing everything organized because it's just easier to see what you have. Nothing goes spoiled or uneaten, and it just looks aesthetically pleasing to the eye, and everything's just not like bunched up together. But this is my fridge restock and my kitchen restock. So thanks for watching and tuning into this video. Please like and comment below, and I hope this was motivation for you all.